Hey everybody, how you guys doing today? It's Joey again. Welcome back to my channel. Today I got a real quick tip video for any Apex Ace owners or potential owners that are looking into this machine. And one of the topics I wanted to talk to you about today is one of its very strong points, and that is going to be the ability to fight EMI noise. Okay, now of all my other machines that I have sitting over here, they all struggle with EMI at some point. I think every detector struggles with EMI at some point. But one of the finest qualities of this machine, one of the things that Garrett did get right, is the ability for this machine here to fight through that EMI. I'm always bringing this guy with me in addition to another detector. So if I decide that I want to go out and use the Equinox, can you believe it? As expensive as that machine is, I need to bring this detector with me in case I get into an area that has high EMI, because one of its Achilles heels is that it struggles. If there's any EMI around, it's going to chatter doing the old R2D2. All those flutes, can't stand it. And if you got the Simplex, it's going to do that mad ducky sound. If you want to hear psycho ducks all day long, then bring the Simplex. If that doesn't drive you crazy, I don't know what else will. And the Vanquish, you might as well call it the baby Equinox, because it does the same fluty noises as that machine, and they all have issues when it comes to the EMI. Now, the beautiful thing about the Apex that makes this thing really shine is when you go into the menu option here, you're going to go down here into the frequency. Now the frequency, guys, there's 6 different frequencies you can shift into. You could run it in single frequency, 5, 10, 15, 20, multi-frequency, or multi-salt, which is going to be your beach mode. Okay, so you've got 6 different, right? 6 different frequencies right there in order to shift through. But the magic that comes inside there, guys, is within those frequencies, if that alone doesn't help you isolate some of your EMI noise, if you hit it again, we're going to jump down to channel, and each of those frequencies has 8 different channels that you can cycle through, right? So you have a total now of 48 independent channels that you can cycle through as an option to help fight that EMI and at least battle through some of the problems that you're going to be having, be it at a beach park, field that has power lines, cellular towers, underground, coax cable for internet, whatever. I mean, in the city, you are going to have a lot of that type of stuff, and it's going to make these detectors act very unstable. And I can tell you, one of the things that I do love about this machine, and I'm trying my best to get all the good points out of it, all of the bad points out of it, and one of the very strong points of this machine, my friends, is that ability right there. Frequency selection and channel adjustment, and being able to search between all those channels, 8 channels in every mode, and being able to select between every mode. Now, like when I'm using the Vanquish, it is a multi-frequency machine, but it hunts in multi-frequency all the time. You don't have the ability to isolate an individual frequency to hunt in. You can do that with the Equinox, but not with the Vanquish. But this detector right here, you can hunt in multi-frequency, or you can hunt in individual frequency. So there you have it, man. A small little video, short and sweet, to give you a good point about this machine as a selling point. If you like that option, I love that option on this. I haven't done the update to this yet, guys. This is still running the 1.27 update. There's a 1.28 update, but I have made the decision to test this machine out in every possible way in the factory 1.27 update. And then once I've made my determination, I'm going to go ahead and switch up into the 1.28, run all the same tests again, and see if the stability, the depth, the pinpointing, if all those things has made any kind of a significant change. Okay, and I'm going to be making more videos for you to see how that works and how we're going to progress along with that in the Apex series of videos that I'm going to make for you. All right, my friends, well, that's all I have today. Short, sweet, to the point. Thank you again for coming back to the channel, checking it out. And hey, guys, give me a thumbs up if any of this information was helpful to you. And subscribe. I'll get more videos out here in a short period. All right, you guys be well. Take it easy. Bye now.